At the beginning of each dissection class, you'll make sure that you're wearing your lab coat, you've got appropriate footwear on with hair tied back, and that you're also wearing your safety spectacles. When you enter the DR, at each end there is a station like this, and the first thing that you should do is put on a pair of gloves of appropriate size. I actually recommend that you frequently double glove to prevent any smells from sticking to your hands. Additionally, at the beginning of each class, you can go to the book drawers here, where you will take the appropriate numbered drawer for your group, and within that drawer you'll find a dissection guide, as well as a laminated sheet containing details of the person who has donated their body to you, including cause of death and previous occupation. During a class, of course, there are many students and staff working in the room, and you'll always be able to get access to someone for advice and help. However, if you can't find anyone, you'll usually find someone in the office here who can help you out, for example, if you've had an accident or if you need assistance in any other way. Additionally, the office contains a wide range of plastic models for you to use to help with your learning. Finally, at the end of a class, what you need to do when you finish dissecting is fill up one of these bowls with paint. The paint is found in these containers here, and paint this substance on your cadaver to ensure that it is preserved. Then cover up your cadaver carefully and deposit your gloves in the yellow bins. Only the yellow bins for gloves. Gloves should not be going into the black bins. Once you've deposited your gloves, go to the wash-up area, wash your hands, and then leave. Okay?